So today we will talk about today's 12th. And first we will talk about another valve apart from the tricuspid and the bicuspid valves that we have learned in the last class, tricuspid and bicuspid valves. Where they are present, who will told me? Tricuspid valve.
May I tell?
Your voice is not clear. Spandan, can you tell me where is the tricuspid valve present? In between? What is the position of the tricuspid valve? Who will tell? Who will?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, tricuspid valve is located at right atrioventricular opening, which is between right atrium and right ventricle, and bicuspid valve is present in left atrioventricular opening, which is between left atrium and left ventricle.
Very good. As well as Mukti has also answered in the chat box. And yes,
now?
yes, you all are absolutely correct. Your tricuspid valve, which is made up of 3 flaps, is located between your right atria and right ventricle. And your bicuspid valve is present between your right ventricle,
left atrium and left ventricle.
atria and left ventricle. Okay, इन दोनों के बीच में presence होते हैं. Now today we will talk about the semi-lunar valves. Your semi-lunar valves is of 2 types. It's of 2 types. One is your pulmonary semi-lunar valve, and the other one is your aortic semi-lunar valves. Your pulmonary semi-lunar valve originates from the right ventricle और pulmonary artery के बीच में present होता है. Your pulmonary semi-lunar valve is present between your right ventricle and pulmonary artery. And your aortic semi-lunar valve is present between your left ventricle and your main aorta. That means when the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle is to go through the pulmonary artery to the lung, so that there also a valve is present in order to prevent the backflow. तो जब भी हमारे राइट वेंट्रिकल से ब्लड जो है वो पल्मोनरी आर्टरीज के थ्रू लंग्स में जाती है, तभी वो पीछे की तरफ वापस ना आए, बैकफ्लो नहीं हो, तो वहां पर भी वाल्व प्रेजेंट होता है. दैट इज योर सेमी लूनर वाल्व. दैट इज योर पल्मोनरी सेमी लूनर वाल्व, एज वेल एज from the left ventricle through the main aorta. When the blood is to be distributed throughout the body, there also to prevent the backflow, there is also semi-lunar valve is present, which is known as aortic semi-lunar valves. How many semi-lunar valves are present in a heart? So there are 3 semi-lunar valves. So semi-lunar valves are 3 in number. 3 in number. बहुत बार बच्चों 2 में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, बट ये 3 होते हैं. Pulmonary artery याद करो तो left pulmonary artery as well as the right pulmonary artery, 2 और एक main aorta. So they are 3 in number. So your semi-lunar valves are 3 in number. Just a minute. Ma'am, I was speaking but I was not audible. Okay. It's okay, Spandan. Okay. So this is your semilunar valve. Now, if there is an opening between the right atria and the left atria, or if there is an opening between the right ventricle and the left ventricle, अगर थोड़ा सा भी इसके बीच में जो इंटर एट्रियल सेप्टम है वहां पर एक छोटा सा भी होल रह जाएगा तो इट लीड्स टू डिफेक्ट्स. एंड इफ देयर इज अ स्मॉल hole or a space in between the right ventricle and the left ventricle, it also leads to a defect. So there are two type of defect between the auricle or the atria. It's known as ASD, and between the ventricles VSD. So what are these? इसका full form क्या होगा? तो ASD is your atrial septum defect. Atrial septum defect. That means in between the septum, between the right atria and the left atria, if there is a small hole so that there is a mixing of the blood between the right atria and the left atria, दोनों के बीच में blood mix हो सकता है, exchange हो सकता है because of the presence of the hole. And your VSD is also another defect. That is your ventricular septal defect. Your ventricular septal defect. Ventricular septal defect. And your ventricular septal defect is more common. This defect is more common and it's congenital. From birth onwards, it's been found in some of the kids, some of the child, and it's from the birth onwards. It's a congenital and more common. Congenital. That means in between the septum of between the two ventricles. So these are the two different types of congenital means from birth onward. जो बचपन से ही हमें birth के साथ जो भी disease हमारे अंदर होती है, that is your congenital disease. Okay, so it's congenital. So basically in between the two auricle or in between the two atria, if there is a defect, अगर वहां पर होल हो जाता है तो it leads to atrial septum defect, होल रह जाता है तो, or between the two ventricle, that means in the interventricle septum, sometimes in congenital septum. Congenital ये क्या है ना, ये जो septum है ventricles के बीच में, वो congenital septum भी हो सकता है या after birth भी हो सकता है, but most commonly अगर देखा जाए तो ventricles के septum के बीच में जो hole होता है और जो defect होता है, that is congenital. Most common it's the congenital. So your congenital septum, a small hole called ventricular septal defect, and it is the most common heart defect. सबसे common heart defect जो कहते हैं ना hole पाया जाता है, that is mostly the VSD, ventricular septal defect, most common heart defect. ठीक है, most common heart.
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Yes, just a minute. Your ventricular septal defect, mostly it is congenital, not always. मैं word use always नहीं use कर रही हूँ. ये after birth के टाइम पे भी हो सकता है कि एक छोटा सा, जब ये पूरा मस्कुलर स्ट्रक्चर ही है तो फॉर्म हो रहा है तो बाय डिफेक्ट एक छोटा सा होल रह जाए, बट मोस्टली मोर कॉमन ये हार्ट डिफेक्ट है जो कॉन्जेनाइटल सेप्टल डिफेक्ट हो सकता है, जो फ्रॉम बर्थ ऑनवर्ड ही बेबी में प्रेजेंट होता है, एंड इट्स बेसिकली प्रेजेंट ऑफ अ होल इन बिटवीन द सेप्टा. दैट सेप्टा इज अ वॉल, मस्कुलर वॉल, थिक वॉल दैट सेपरेट्स द टू वेंट्रिकल. So अगर यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा एक छोटा सा होल रह जाता है तो it leads to a defect, it leads to a heart defect, and that is known as ventricular septal defect. So these two types of defects is basically because of a small opening in between the septa that separates the two atria or the two ventricles. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if not treated, is it means Will it cause death?
इट्स अ ट्रीटेबल बच्चा, अभी हम उसको ट्रीट कर सकते हैं, इजिली ट्रीट हो जाता है.
Thank you.
Muktit, that is different. That is the blockage due to the deposition of the cholesterol. But this is a heart defect. That means it's when the heart, that is a musculature structure of your body, which is one of the most important organ. तो जब भी वो organ fully develop हो रहा है, उस समय उसमें जो defect रहते हैं, रह सकते हैं. It's not common. It's the uncommon क्योंकि ये defect है. So these are the two different type of defects which is related to the septum. That is present in between the two atria or in between the two ventricles. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Our heart is made up of cardiac muscle. You all know that our heart is made up of cardiac muscle, which have the property of excitability and conductivity. वो एक्साइटेड भी हो सकता है, एक्शन पोटेंशियल क्रिएट भी कर सकता है और उसको कंडक्ट भी कर सकता है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट दैट यू शुड रिमेंबर कि आवर हार्ट इज मेड अप ऑफ कार्डियक मसल्स which are excitable भी है, खुद से एक्साइट भी हो सकता है, उसे कोई एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलस नहीं चाहिए. जब भी आपने 9th-10th में नर्वस सिस्टम पढ़ा होगा, आपने पढ़ा होगा वी नीड एन एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलाई टू परफॉर्म अ रोल, टू परफॉर्म अ फंक्शन. इफ I have to pick this chalk from here, so I must get a signal from my brain that I have to use this yellow chalk so that I'll be able to pick it up. But here your cardiac muscles, they are self-capable. They have the property of excitability and conductivity, which are self-excitable and conductive. तो ये दो इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी है, एक्साइटेड भी हो सकते हैं और उसको कंडक्ट भी कर सकता है. So how it happens? तो basically I will draw a row diagram here. एक मैं आपको फ्लो चार्ट जैसा दिखाऊंगी और फिर वही सेम चीज मैं आपको हार्ट के डायग्राम में दिखाऊंगी. ओके, सो फर्स्ट it's because of the presence of an AV node. That is your AV node से फिर वो कहाँ, सॉरी गलत हो गया, ये ऐसे नोड से स्टार्ट होता है, साइनोएट्रियल नोड. ऐसे नोड से ये एवी नोड के पास आता है, फिर एवी बंडल्स बनते हैं, फिर आता है बंडल ऑफ हिस, एंड फाइनली इट्स द Purkinje fibers. This is how inside the heart your action potential that is being created by the SA node is being carried throughout the surface of the heart. ये throughout the surface of the heart carry करता है, कौन carry करता है? हमारा SA node. So we will start with the SA node. Because your human heart is myogenic, it's not neurogenic. Myogenic means here the spatial muscle, here the spatial sinoatrial nodal muscle is capable of providing the excitation. यहाँ पर you don't need any external stimuli. वो खुद से excitable हो सकते हैं और ये excitability किधर से start होती है? From the SA node, that is your sinoatrial node, which is also known as, yes. So, as I told that your heart is myogenic. So, in the heartbeat originates from a neuromuscular tissue. Because क्या है ये? Our heart is another important. Our heart is, it's not neurogenic, it's myogenic. Neurogenic नहीं है, nervous tissues, ganglia इसको originate नहीं कर रहा है. It's a neuromuscular tissue करता है because it's myogenic. Our heart is myogenic. in nature. This word is also very important कि myogenic होता है या neurogenic होता है. Vertebrates, if we are talking about the human beings, they are myogenic. But if we will talk about the invertebrates, then there that is being conducted by the nerve of ganglia. जब आप animal kingdom पढ़ोगे वहाँ आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा, and there they are neurogenic. But our heart is myogenic. In this, heartbeat originates from a neuromuscular tissue, and that is SA node. Heartbeat originates from a neuromuscular tissue. And that neuromuscular tissue is nothing but your SA node. So the another point that you must know कि where this SA node is present. So this SA node is present at the right corner of the right atria. Right atria के right corner में हमारा SA node present होता है. अब मैं diagram बनाऊंगी और उसके basis में मैं आपको ये explain करने की कोशिश करूंगी. तो just see the diagram first, listen to me first, and after that I will listen to you all. Okay? So first we have to draw the diagrams. तो ventricle बनाने के लिए मैंने थोड़ा ऐसे कर लिया. ठीक है? इधर भी septum होता है छोटा, और इधर भी होगा septum present होता है in between the two ventricles. In between the two ventricles. Okay? So as I told कि your circulation or the conduction of the heartbeat, it originates from a neuromuscular tissue, that is SA node. So where this SA node is present, as I told कि this SA node is present if this is our right atria, this is your left atria, this is your right ventricle, this is your left ventricle. So as I told, I need another color chalk. Just a minute. So, as I told, this SA node is present at the right corner of our right atria. Can I say that this is the place from where your SA node originates? This is SA node. Right atria के right corner से present होता है वो. That is your SA node. And this node carry the excitation, carry the impulse throughout the atria, और जो हमारे दो atria को separate करता है, that is your interatrial septum. तो यहाँ पर फिर एक another type of neuromuscular tissue present है, that is your AV node. AV node, SA node से that is your sinoatrial node, ये जाता है AV node में, that is your atrioventricular node. Atrioventricular node. और ये किधर present होता है? It is present in the right atrium at the base of interatrial septum. Interatrial septum जो हमारे दोनों को separate करता है, interatrial septum दो atria को बीच में separate करता है, उसके base पे present होता है. जैसे ये ऐसे node है और मान लो कि यहाँ इसके base पे जो ये interatrial node है, इसके base पे तुम्हारा AV node present. Atrioventricular node. Atrioventricular node. This is another neuromuscular tissue. That is another neuromuscular tissue, AV node, which is present. Where it is present, so you can write it is present in the right atrium. Where it is AV node is present in the, क्योंकि जब भी आप नोट्स रिवाइज करने बैठोगे तो फिर आपको ये दिक्कत होगी, तो आप लिख लो इन दी राइट एट्रियम in the right atrium at the base of interatrial septum. 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 ठीक है, interatrial septum. ये तो अगर तुम्हारा सेप्टम है तो उसके बेस पे प्रेजेंट होता है. इफ वी विल ड्रॉ कि ये दो हमारे ऑरिकल के बीच में, क्योंकि यहाँ से और भी बहुत सारी चीजें निकलती है, वो पूरी चीजें मैंने कंप्लीट नहीं की है. पल्मोनरी आर्टरी, यहाँ से तुम्हारा पल्मोनरी ट्रंक ओरिजिनेट्स होता है, लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से हमारा मेन एरोटा जाता है, वो सारा ऊपर की तरफ जाता है. वो भी पूरा एक डायग्राम में आपको दिखाऊंगी. बट जब ये ऐसे नोड से ओरिजिनेट हुआ तो ये अभी ऑरिकल एट्रिया से ओरिजिनेट हो रहा, और अभी भी ये इंटर एट्रियल जो सेप्टम है एट्रिया तक ही है. अब हमको इसको किधर लेके जाना है? वेंट्रिकल में, क्योंकि थ्रू आउट द हार्ट ये इंपल्स कैरी होना चाहिए. तो नाउ फ्रॉम द एवी नोड इट विल generate AV. From the AV node, a group of muscle fiber originates होते हैं. A group of muscle fiber originates होते हैं. That is your bundle of His. और ये bundle of His किधर present होते हैं? In the interventricular septum. This is your interventricular septum. ये तुम्हारा interventricular septum है. यहाँ से पास होगा तुम्हारा bundle of His. So I will take another color chalk and I will draw कि interventricular septum में तुम्हारा bundle of His जो है वो originate होता है. यहाँ हम इसको दो पार्ट में दिखाते हैं, right and the left. This is the right and this is the left. That is your right bundle branch and the left bundle branch. So it originates and moves throughout the surface of the interventricular septum. और इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर सेप्टम में मूव करने के बाद ये बहुत सारे स्मॉल छोटे छोटे ब्रांचेस में डिवाइड होके थ्रू आउट द वेंट्रिकुलर मसल्स में एक्साइटेशन कैरी करता है. एंड दिस इज योर पुरकिंजी फाइबर. सो योर एसए नोड, योर एवी नोड, थ्रू आउट द इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर सेप्टम दे फॉर्म्स द bundle of His. And from this they are distributed into two parts. One is the right branch, right bundle of His branch. That means you can also give it the name, another name भी आप उसको दे सकते हो. That is right bundle branch and the left bundle branch. So the right bundle branch and the left bundle branch, they are being carried all along the wall of the ventricles, and when they are distributed in a number of small branches of fibers, they are known as Purkinje fibers. तो ये हमारा carry हो गया. So what is the pathway? SA node, that is also known as the pacemaker of the heart, artificial pacemaker of the heart. From the SA node, AV node, then your bundle of His, and then your Purkinje fiber. Now I am sharing a diagram in order to make it more clearer to you all.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, so that structure on the vertical septum is the bundle of His, na?
Yes, yes, yes. Bundle of His, और यहाँ आप इसको right bundle branch और left bundle branch भी बोल सकते हो. This one is your right bundle branch and this is your left bundle. एक बार बहुत अच्छे से डायग्राम के साथ समझ में आ गया ना बच्चा, तो जब भी रिवाइज करने बैठोगे ना, बहुत थोड़े से टाइम में बहुत इजीली आपका पूरा सब कुछ रिवाइज हो जाएगा. तो कुछ भी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं होंगी. जस्ट अ मिनट.
Man, you are not audible.
Yes, ma'am.